Hello, my name is Samara Trujillo. My partner is Andrew Quinares, and we will be testing the properties of magic sand. As you guys can see, here I'm just adding an equal amount of water to each one of the tubes. And this is where the magic happens. As we can see, the magic sand is added to the water. It immediately changes shape into a string-like formation. Why does this happen? It happens because the molecules in the magic sand are hydrophobic. Hydrophobic is defined as lacking an affinity of water or repelling water. As seen in the diagram, what could be happening is the sand particles are coated with hydrophobic material. Examples of hydrophobic molecules include alkanes, waxes, steroids, oils, fats, and greasy substances in general. All of these materials are also insoluble. This means that they do not fully dissolve in a solvent, such as water. This can be compared to other soluble materials such as sugar, where they do not fully dissolve in water. Another example of hydrophobic molecules are in your body. Some of the cells that make up your body can also be hydrophobic and hydrophilic. Hydrophilic materials are the opposite of hydrophobic ones, as they are attracted to water through their electrical charge rather than being repelled by water. For the sake of comparison, we can compare the hydrophobic magic sand to the hydrophilic natural sand. And here we try to get the sand into the test tube.
Fine, the video needs to be entertaining anyway.
But finally, when we did eventually get it, when the normal sand is poured into the water, you can see that it sinks to the bottom of the water, and this is because of density. Density is a measure of how much mass is in a certain amount of space. The density of the sand is greater than the density of the water, which means that the sand sinks to the bottom instead of staying at the top. The physical properties of magic and regular sand hold a few differences as well. The magic sand is a pinkish reddish color, while regular sand is brown. Physical properties are characteristics of a substance that is not associated with its chemical composition. Other than that one difference, they mostly share the same physical properties. They are denser than water, they are both insoluble so they don't fully dissolve in water, and they share the same texture. So what have we learned? We have learned both the properties of what makes something hydrophobic and hydrophilic, what makes something insoluble and soluble, and we have learned about density and other physical properties of magic and regular sand. And that is it for our chemistry presentation. Thank you for your time.